Hey there! Today we're going to learn more about the declarations using structures in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see here, I have this file added. I name it, supposedly should be ex64 underscore declaration using structures part 2. So you can rename it. Let's just go ahead and rename this real quick. So it should be 64 and not 63. Just like that. So a struct variable can also be initialized in the declaration by listing initial values in order inside curly braces. So to better understand this, as you can see, these are the declaration, two variable declaration we have in my previous videos. So we can go ahead, we can modify this so that we can do something like this. 19 So take a good look about this declarations using structures. So again, a struct variable can also be initialized in the declaration by listing initial values in order inside curly braces. So as you can see in here, inside these curly braces, we have assigned 19, 9, and John Scotty for the name. So we have assigned the age, grade, and the name for our struct variables. So let's go ahead and run this real quick. So compile and run. So as you can see, student 1, John Scotty 19, Batman Silver Man 11. So let's proceed to the next example with that. If you want to initialize a structure using curly braces after declaration, you will also need to typecast as in this example. So let me go ahead and create another example for you. So let me go ahead and delete this first example, and I'm just going to leave this. I'm going to delete up until here. Also this one, I don't need this anymore. And then we can copy and paste it in here. So this is the declaration, declaring, and then this is the typecast. So what we can do is can assign it something like this. So again, this is a typecast, so I'm going to put a comment in here. Typecast is needed. So let's go ahead and run this real quick. Compile and run. And as you can see, the result, student John Scotty 19, which is correct. So again, if you want to initialize a structure using curly braces after declaration, you will also need to typecast, as in this example. We typecast, so typecast is needed. So that's how you do it. So let me go ahead and delete this and give you the last example in here. So let me delete this and this. So just like that. So let's go ahead and compile and run this real quick. This is the last example. And as you can see, name John Smith, age 19, grade 9. So it runs perfectly fine. So what we did in this example, the dot grade refers to the grade member of the structure. Similarly, dot age on this line, in line 10, so dot grade refers to the grade member of the structure, and dot age and dot name refer to the age and name members of the structure. So again, these initialization methods are really handy for you. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you, and as you can see, there's a missing piece of information in here that needs to be filled in. So I want you to fill in the blanks to the initialized struct variable using a typecast, and if you already know the answer, please put it in the comments section below. Thank you.